Here, that's all you gotta do. That one, yeah. Just make this.
That one you can do straight. If I had to get it from anybody, it's you.
That looks sick. That's amazing.
It does not drive that well.
Yeah. I don't have that little wrench.
Come on, get close, man. Get close.
Yo, that's it for this episode of Kpoprc. Super shout out goes to Brett at Strictly Sideways for the invite. Also, huge shout out goes to Bruce Wee for helping me tune this Secura D5 chassis. He got it to oversteer less and just be way more controllable, which is super huge. I will go over any of the changes that we had made, very slight changes over stock that he was recommending. And also, I will be releasing the STL files that I made and designed to get the magnetic body post to be a little bit further for my body. Also, I am designing a protector for the rear motor, which is one of the biggest pitfalls of this chassis. If you hit this thing, you don't want to bend the motor mount. So I've got to design something to protect the motor. But yeah, huge shout out to the whole crew at Strictly Sideways for such a warm welcome. And yeah, I'm gonna go out on Wednesday. We'll try to get more volumes, more drift volumes to watch. No seat giveaway, but that doesn't mean that you can't be considered for the giveaway, so leave me a comment below and give me a sub for more of these. Also, the neighbor project, I'm still waiting for some parts to be rode over here. Also, there's a kind of an awesome development. Super Scale is sending me one of their kits for the active suspension that he has designed, so I'm leaving a link to his website in the description as well. Also, huge shout out goes to RCWORLDINC for sending me this body. This body is super sweet. I'm gonna keep making it kind of a drift missile. It is a work in progress. I don't care about it as much in terms of like damage because I kind of want it to be a beat up body. So we're gonna keep along those lines of drift missile, and I'm gonna start playing around with it a little bit more and trying to get it to be a lot more beat up, which is super cool. But yeah, also I'm gonna maybe do another episode just detailing everything that I did to this chassis and what I bought. This is a very budget RC drifter. The chassis is like under $100 US. The motor and ESC combo is also under $100. The gyro is like $30, and the servo is like another $26. So this is a under $300 drift chassis. If you want to get into the hobby, this is a great way to go. But you have to have a community of people to help you set it up, because you just need it. There's a lot of ins and outs in this sport, and yeah, the only way you're gonna do it is to be part of a community. So yeah, check it out. Stay tuned for more details on this build. Yeah, so that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for another volume of Strictly Drifting. K-pop out.